In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change axis labels in Power BI. Clear axis labels make charts easier to read and your insights easier to understand. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to update the labels that appear on your chart's X and Y axes, and I'll point out what changes are visual only so you know exactly what to expect. Start by launching Power BI Desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once it's open, go ahead and open the report file you want to work on. This could be a recent file from the start screen or one you browse to on your computer. When the report opens, you'll see your pages and visuals on the canvas. Click the chart you want to update so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and sizing handles around it. With the visual active, look to the Visualizations pane on the right side of the screen. This pane controls how the visual is built and formatted. If you don't see it, make sure the Visualizations pane is visible in your layout. Within the Visualizations pane, focus on the section that lists the fields driving the visual. For most charts, you'll see buckets labeled X-axis and Y-axis. These buckets show which fields are currently used to build each axis. The names you see here are the labels that show up on your chart. To change an axis label for this visual, double-click the field name inside either the X-axis or Y-axis bucket. The text will become editable. Type the new label you want, then press Enter to confirm. As soon as you commit the change, the updated name appears on your chart. If your visual displays axis titles, you'll see the new label reflected there. If axis titles are turned off, you'll still influence tooltips and context where the field name is referenced. A few helpful tips as you rename: choose labels that are clear, concise, and audience-friendly. Consider including units like revenue, USD, or date, quarter, to avoid confusion. Keep in mind that very long labels may wrap or truncate depending on your visual's size. Adjust the chart size if the text feels cramped. It's important to note that this change only affects the selected visual. You're not renaming the field in your data model, and other visuals using the same field will keep their original labels. If you want consistency across your report, repeat the same rename on each visual where you need it, or manage naming at the model level outside this flow. That's it. You've updated your axis labels quickly and safely, keeping your data intact while making your chart easier to read.